Xanax is usually prescribed to people who struggle with panic attacks and anxiety. Although it can be helpful in the short term, long-term misuse can lead to dependence and addiction. If you or a loved one is taking Xanax, then it's important to know the signs, risks, and treatment available for Xanax addiction. Knowing more about Xanax addiction can help you determine if you or a loved one needs help at a Xanax addiction rehab center. This video will start you on a journey to recovery. What is Xanax? Xanax is a type of benzodiazepine medication. It's normally prescribed to treat anxiety disorders and anxiety symptoms of depression. However, this prescription drug is an addictive substance when improperly used. Misuse can result in addiction, overdose, or death. When someone becomes addicted to Xanax, the calming effects on the brain and central nervous system turn into a health risk. Dangerous side effects include severe drowsiness, slowed breathing, and loss of consciousness. Xanax abuse signs. One of the most noticeable Xanax addiction signs is the side effects of taking too much of it. People who have taken too much Xanax can have slurred speech, confusion, dizziness, drowsiness, and weakness. In extreme cases, they can show a lack of coordination, have difficulty breathing, or go into a coma. Another common sign of Xanax addiction is how much time someone devotes to the substance. People who are addicted to Xanax use it longer than intended and spend a lot of time trying to get more. This may include doctor shopping or using a friend's prescription. They'll also have cravings for it and spend a lot of time recovering from the adverse effects of using it off-label. People who are addicted to Xanax often have problems meeting work, school, and social obligations. This includes reduced participation or not showing up at all. Xanax withdrawal symptoms. Xanax withdrawal symptoms usually start 6 to 12 hours after the last dose taken. In the first 1 to 3 days, people can experience nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, mood swings, nervousness, and more. Some of these symptoms will lessen after the 3rd day. Others can grow more intense. On day 4, more symptoms can appear. These symptoms include cravings, depression, irritability, racing thoughts, and additional sleep problems. When week 3 starts, their cravings will start to decrease. Anxiety, agitation, depression, and irritability will still be present though. Those symptoms can last for another 2 to 5 months or longer, depending on the person and the other mental conditions they have. Xanax Rehab Center. If you or a loved one is showing signs of Xanax addiction, help is always possible. Beaches Recovery is the quality Xanax addiction rehab center that can help you achieve and maintain a sober life. At Beaches Recovery, we offer all our clients individualized care. Before treatment begins, we meet with our clients one-on-one to assess what they need from treatment. Then we create a unique treatment schedule with programs that can help them recover. Some of these treatment programs include a men's or women's prescription drug rehab program, a benzo addiction rehab program, an executive drug addiction rehab program, and more. Depending on the severity of Xanax abuse, more or less structured drug rehab programs can be used for treatment. The same treatment and therapy options are available in various intensities during each level of care. From highly structured settings to normal everyday routines, levels of care include a residential addiction treatment program, a partial hospitalization program, an intensive outpatient program, an outpatient treatment program, and more. If you notice Xanax addiction signs in yourself or a loved one, reach out to our Xanax Addiction Rehab Center in Jacksonville. Our addiction treatment specialists will guide you through the process and transition you from different levels of care. Contact Beaches Recovery for more information about the recovery process. Call 866-605-0532 to speak with an expert about starting Xanax Rehab today. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.